Cloud Coder's Cloud WMS Solution, a high-level overview. Hi, my name is Riley, and I'm the Business Development Manager here at Cloud Coders, and I'd like to welcome you back to our Cloud Coders video series. In this series, I go through a number of different topics, including Cloud Coders, the company, our products, and what is going on in the market that is relevant to WMS solutions, NetSuite, or mobile applications. Today's topic, I'll be looking further into what is our Cloud WMS solution and giving you guys a high-level overview of the solution itself. Our Cloud WMS solution is a task-based mobile application that delivers warehouse management processes directly to a mobile device. The solution itself is a NetSuite native application, and it runs as a bundle installed in your NetSuite account. This means it allows us to use the power of NetSuite and use NetSuite as the single point of truth. This means things such as your warehouse management processes, inventory, pricing, are all taken from NetSuite, so you're still using that as your single point of truth throughout this whole process. What our solution does is enhance these processes within a mobile setting, allowing you to have greater access and your team to have greater access to the processes in a mobile setting throughout your warehouse. It has some key functionalities by being a mobile application, such as allowing it to run on and offline within the warehouse, which is great if you have a freezer that has low connectivity to your Wi-Fi routers, if you have a large warehouse that once again has some dead spots throughout the warehouse, or if you are working with explosives or flammable liquids. This all means that you may have to run offline at periods of time, and our solution will continue to function as normal regardless of the connectivity. The solution also provides a great opportunity for you to send specific tasks to the device and allow specific people within your business to be doing those tasks. As each task is sent to the device from NetSuite and from your NetSuite process, you may have some people who, for example, are very good at the pick part of the process. So they would be, for example, very good pickers of specific items, and they would then get those tasks specifically delivered to their device and know that those are the tasks they have to complete within the day. This is the same for something like a packing station or somebody who specifically works on the shipping side of things. The solution also provides some things outside of the consistent NetSuite processes in order to enhance this mobile setting. These are things such as documentation, printing directly from the device, being able to create sales orders directly on the device for warehouses that have shop fronts as well, and ability to move outside of the four walls with processes such as sign-on delivery and various parts of image capturing. The solution as a whole is extremely robust and powerful, allowing you to not only use the strength of a mobile application in the field, but deriving all of the processing and information from NetSuite, meaning that you have that single point of truth and you're continuing to use processes that exist within the business. However, now enhanced in the hands of your team within the warehouse themselves. Finally, our solution goes through the processes in a phased approach, allowing you to understand how your solution has been implemented and what processes you need to take place within the business to ensure that you're taking these steps in the right way to delivering that final solution. We also, in terms of the product itself, run on a subscription model as many other softwares as a service do. Of course, implementation is included as well, which is obviously a once-off payment through that implementation process. But at the end of the day, what is really important is the speed in which your solution can run. And that is where we continue to make strides within the warehouse management space. Being a mobile-first application, our speed is second to none in terms of our ability to collect data and to push data to the device, allowing you to have real-time updates and being able to process at a high speed in terms of pick, pack, and ship processes. This allows us to continue to ensure that our clients understand their inventory levels and have that speed to process if they have to have orders out the door quickly or if they need to improve efficiencies within the business themselves. So this has been a little bit of a high-level overview of parts of our solution, how it integrates or how it uses NetSuite. and some information around the general setting of the application itself. If you would like to learn more about our Cloud WMS solution, please contact with me. And until next time, please look after yourselves.